everybody and welcome back to my kitchen. It's Rog here once again. Today I'm going to be cooking fish. Actually it's my all-time favourite fish, sea bass. I'm going to cook it in a little parcel wrapped up with some delicious flavours, garlic and lots of butter, and it's going to be amazing. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and you'll see all my future videos and all the ones from the past. So keep watching and this is what we're going to need. Some lovely fresh sea bass. Some lemons that I've sliced. Some garlic cloves. I'm going to be using about 3 of these lovely delicious garlic cloves. I do love garlic so much. And of course we're going to need some butter. And we're going to need some of this sauce. It's tahini sauce. Tastes a bit like thick peanut butter to me anyway. And our old friends, salt and pepper. And of course we can have a sprinkling of dill. Can't have fish without some dill. So I'll take a piece of kitchen foil and I'm going to put the fish on there skin side up. Then we're going to give this a hefty coating of sea salt sprinkled over the top by my one and only lovely gorgeous black pepper. Bit more please. Oh. Flip it over and then we're going to do the same on the other side with that lovely seasoning. And of course once we've done the seasoning we're going to add our other ingredients. We can start with the garlic. I've crushed this down and we're going to spread this over quite a lot. I do like the flavour of garlic, followed by a couple of knobs of butter. This is going to melt down with everything else and make that delicious flavoursome sauce. Then we go on with the tahini, drizzle that all the way along the fish. 1 teaspoon should be fine, and then a sprinkling of dill. On that goes. Don't forget a little bit. Couple of slices of lemon, job done. Now we're going to wrap this up in this parcel. I think you guys have seen me do these parcels before. It certainly is a way of keeping that flavour in. And also, I don't know about you, if you cook fish in an open pan, it gets a little bit smelly. So there it is, all wrapped up nice and neatly. And it's off to the oven. We're going to bake this, gas mark 4, for about 15 minutes. Take the parcel out and this is what you've got. Oh, it's so exciting, isn't it? Look at all those flavours, all those juices. They've all mingled together to create this wonderful sauce. I just got to have a look at that. Then we're going to dish it up. Just tease it off of the tin foil there. And that can go onto the plate along with the delicious sauce. Sorry if I keep going on about this sauce, but those flavours are amazing. We're going to serve this up with some crispy crunchy salad and some boiled potatoes, boiled with their skins on. Tasty. Look at that. And I'm telling you guys, this does taste amazing and it smells amazing too. Please try this recipe for yourself. I'm sure you would enjoy it. And give me a like, give me a share, please subscribe. See you next time. Bye for now.